Hey guys, bird update, another one. So, so right, we got a couple new ones. We got them last month, but I just didn't show you guys. So that one right there, he's new. His name's Coda. That one's name is Monty on the back one. That green one, that's not Gouda, that's Colby. I had to turn my brightness up. That one right there, his name is Miko. Why did I name him Miko? Because I wanted to. And we originally had another one, but it died, and we didn't know how, and we replaced it with Coda. But and there's Bell Bell. There's Bell Bell. She doing much better now. She doing much better now. Bell Bell doing much better. Cause last month, like during December, she was like very sick, but we put her in a separate cage, and now she's doing much better. Aw, look, Miko. Miko looking at the camera. Hi, Miko. Well, he went down the bridge. But anyway, oh yeah, Aussie and Coda, they're basically like best friends. But anyway, I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe for the birdies, and I'll see you all in the next video. Till next time, goodbye.